If you are using Airtel and you are still buying data the normal way, then you are probably overpaying. There is an app right now that can help you to get data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel without doing anything illegal. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use this app step by step. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important part. So let's dive right into it. So this is how the app look like after you have logged in and register on this app. I'm going to tell you the name of the app at the end of the video, so do have to watch this video to the end so that you can be able to know how you can get access to this app and how you can make use of it. You can do a lot of things with this app, but we are going to focus on I can buy cheap data with this app. So to buy your cheap data with this app, there are two places you can use. You can either click on buy data bundle or you can click on all offer. So let's click on buy data bundle. So you're going to bring you to this interface. Now the first option you can use to buy data, this my offers. From time to time they're going to be giving you different offers, so you can see the offer that is available now. Currently now we have 3 offer that is available. Now the ones that are mostly used for these 3 offers, this second 2 option, these are the ones that are using this current offer now. The first one here is called Bing 600. With 600 I can get 2 gigabytes of data plus a bonus of 1 gigabyte of data for YouTube 9 plus 200 MB. So with 600 I can get 3.2 gigabytes of data. Then the second option is called Bing 750. With 750 I can get 3 gigabytes with a bonus of 1 gigabyte for YouTube 9 plus 200 MB. So with 750 can get 4.2 gigabytes of data. Now the next section I can also get cheap data with this app is to click on data pack. It's going to bring you to this interface. So we have a different offer here. We have the daily offer, weekly and monthly. So for the daily offer, the first option here is called midnight plan. With 15 I can get 250 MB, which means if you are using this plan with 100 I can get 500 MB, and with 200 I can get 1 gigabyte of data. You can make use of this plan in the night. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this plan to do your data subscription. That can also browse in the night. I can make use of it from 12 midnight to 5 a.m. in the night. Now the second option is with 750 can get 750 MB. The third option with 100 I can get 110 MB. They also have the social plan. If you want to do your social media plan, you can also use this third option. Let me show you the ones that I mostly make use of. Now the number one that I make use of in this plan is the midnight plan. Then if you scroll down, you also see this plan here. Already, you have already talked about this plan before, but you see it here. In case you did not see it in the first place, you can also get access to it here, which is with 600 I can get 3.2 gigabytes of data. Then the next one with 750 can get 4.3 gigabytes of data. The other options that I also use in this section is with 1000 I can get 0.3 gigabytes of data with a bonus of 2 gigabytes for YouTube plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So with 1000 I can get 5.4 gigabytes of data. Then the next section is Bing 15. With 1500 I can get 5 gigabytes plus with a bonus of 2 gigabytes for YouTube 90 plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So with 1500 I can get 7.2 gigabytes of data. If you have gotten value so far from this video, please do me a favor. Like this video, drop your comment, and also subscribe to the channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also help me to share this video so that others will get access to this video. So let's get back to the video. Then you also have the weekly data offer, also have the monthly data offer also. Then another option that I also use, if you come to the others, you will see different options that are here. This is mostly for heavy data user. If you want to do a data that will last you for a longer period of time, you can come to this section that is written others. You will see currently now we have about 5 options that are available. But the ones that I prefer is from the second option here, which is with 10,000 I get 60 gigabytes of data. And this will be valid for 365 days, that is 1 year. If you are going for this option, let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you want to go for this option. So 10,000 divided by 60. So 1 gigabyte of data will just cost you 166 naira if you are using this option here. The next option that I also use is 90 days plan. With 50,000 you can get 300 gigabyte of data. This will be valid for 90 days, that is 3 months. Let's also do a little calculation to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you are going for this option. 50,000 divided by 300. If you are going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data will also cost you 166 naira. So this is another good option to do your data subscription from Airtel using this app. The next option is with 60,000 can get 350 gigabytes of data to be valid for 120 days, that is 4 months. Let's also calculate this to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you are going for this option. 60,000 divided by 350. If you are going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data will just cost you 171 naira. Then the last option is with 100,000 can get 685 gigabytes of data to be valid for 365 days, that is 1 year. So let's also calculate this to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you are going for this option. 100 divided by 685. If you are going for this option, 1 gigabyte data will just cost you 146 naira. You can use any of this plan to do your data subscription from Airtel that will last you for a longer period of time. Then we also have voice and data plan. If you want to do a voice and data plan, you can also make use of any of this plan here. So let me tell you the name of the app. Go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, then type my Airtel on your app or Google Store. So this is the app My Airtel. Download and install it on your phone, then you can use it to get cheap data from Airtel. So with this app, you can be able to get data at a very cheap price from Airtel, and this will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do have to like the video and also drop your comments at the comment section. And if you are here to subscribe to this channel, do have to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other ways to get data very cheap from other networks like MTN, Glo, and 9Mobile, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.